1. When Minnie is greeting guests at home, think of a fun question to ask, and you might get to linger a little longer while she answers it. Her birthday is November 18th, the same day as Mickey's, so that would be a good day to say happy birthday. 2. Kids especially like Minnie's kitchen, where you'll find a cake baking. You can make it rise and fall by turning a knob. Try the microwave to make things pop. 3. Check out the details, the names of books in the bookshelf, notes on the refrigerator and the diet cookies. As you go out the back door, look at the cupboard on your right. You will find a book entitled, Elvis, What Happened? 4. Look for hidden Mickeys. In her craft room, there's one in the portrait of Clarabelle Cow. 5. Make a wish in the wishing well out back. Say it out loud, and you might hear someone talking back to you. 6. If you look closely at the hills behind Minnie's house, you may notice that the trees are shaped like the letters WDI. That stands for Walt Disney Imagineering. 7. During the holidays, Minnie puts up a silver and pink tree in her front yard. You might notice a hidden Mickey on top of it. 8. Reviewers at Yelp give Minnie's house a high rating, but not quite as high as Mickey's house next door. They say things like it's absolutely darling and worth waiting for if it makes your kid happy just for a moment. You can read more of their reviews here.